As soon as we hit puberty, we receive acne as a gift. ये हम सबको एक तोहफे के रूप में मिलता है. Having a flawless skin is a dream of all of us, right? But unfortunately, many of us end up making the skin look worse because we are the impatient kidas. We squeeze the pimples, scrub it like आज ही सब कुछ साफ कर देंगे, use chemical based products, and finally regret about that. Why did we do it, yaar? Hey guys, welcome back to It's a Journey podcast. I'm your host Parvati, and this is my podcast which comes out every Sunday. We're gonna talk about acne, breakout, and skincare routine today, which I surely doesn't follow. My skin wasn't really good from the starting itself. As soon as I hit puberty, I had this ton of pimples all over my cheeks and forehead, and it never stopped, actually. For a few months, I was so frustrated. My skin is kind of sensitive, so using all those chemical based products really didn't work out for me. So I switched to Ayurvedic products. To some extent, it's helping me. Like it's in a better condition as compared to earlier. We can hide minor imperfections by using makeup, but surely not in acne, right? We live in a world of judgmental people where they judges you based on your appearance. And it's sad. Severe acne affects a person's confidence and self esteem, that it leads to depression, particularly during the teenage period. Depression is very, very common in teens, in people with severe acne, who may feel especially self conscious about their skin. I just really miss those old days when people would go with the person's moral values to make friends. But nowadays, the scenario is different. The world seems to judge you by your looks and dressing. It's pathetic. And we should surely step out of this fairyland of saying that having acne on your face is beautiful. Yet, who's gonna say it looks beautiful? It's surely not good for anyone. You have acne because of the clogged pores. And it definitely doesn't look good on anyone because if you don't take care of it, it can get severe. When we talk about acne, a lot of myth about acne comes out. People think that washing your face many times a day can help you get rid of it. But it's definitely not true. Scrubbing your face vigorously and using chemical again and again surely doesn't sound like a good idea. It can lead to irritated and traumatized skin, which makes the skin look even more worse. Second, the worst thing, pinching your pimple or squeezing it. It's the terrible thing you can ever do to your skin because squeezing your pimple can cause inflammation and can make it last longer. And plus that, it leaves a scar. So now you're with a gift. Third, people having acne have oily skin. And we all know that, right? So for a very long time, people thought that eating junk food or greasy food also causes acne. But according to studies, junk food causes other harms to body but has shown no significant change on skin. So yeah, there was this myth that eating junk food is one of the reasons why you have acne, but that's not true. So these were some myths about acne. Honestly, even I don't have a good skin, but I'm trying my best to get one. Some of the things that I have started doing are drink lots of water, exercise regularly, and washing my face twice a day. But there are some other things you can try to get a better skin, maybe. First, wash your face only once or twice a day with lukewarm water, a mild cleanser, and gentle motion. No scrubbing or harsh abrasive products needed. Make sure one of those times you're washing your face is in the evening to remove makeup and dirt. I don't remember where I've heard this or read it, but washing your face in the morning is not good because, like, all of the night it releases the face or the skin releases some essential oils, which is very beneficial, which is very important for the skin, and it protects the skin. So washing your face is not good in the morning. You just wash it with water and don't use soap. Try it, maybe you see some like really positive results. Second, use benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid face wash with a balanced pH for acne patients. This will also shrink the acne eruption gradually. Well, these are the two products which you can use, and it shows so good results that you start to see the result very quickly. And third, if you have oily skin, then please avoid milk. Avoiding milk is the best option if you have oily skin. For mild cases, you can cure acne by home remedies. More severe cases may require the expertise of a dermatologist who can recommend prescription drugs. The medication one uses for acne depend on type and severity. Everybody have different skin type, and not all remedies and medications works on every skin type. Just be careful before using any of the skin products. Know your skin type and you're good to go. See, we are in teenage, and surely our skin is a bit sensitive at the moment. So, using chemicals, using makeup, all these things are the reasons why we get acne, right? Our pores get clogged, and then we start getting pimples all over our faces. So, better if you just, don't use it, or if you're using it, then just properly cleanse your face so that there's no dirt. You get a clear skin, right? As soon as we hit puberty, we go through a lot of changes. A lot of hormonal changes takes place in body, and that is the reason why we all get acne. And it's something which happens with everyone, right? It's very common. It's happens with everyone, so you don't have to worry about it. It gradually fades away. People are there who get pimples and acne in their adulthood too. That's a different case. But right now, you're just fine and you don't have to worry about it. Just take care of your skin. Just follow those things that I've just mentioned above, okay? Just chill. Acne is not a big problem. I know how self conscious teens are, and yes, I am too, right? If I get a pimple, I just freak out. Like, ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना, सच्ची. मुझे अपनी शक्ल नहीं दिखानी बाहर जाके. We all are very self-conscious. And yes, of course, we are trying our best to get a better skin, and keep trying. So with this, I would like to come to an end to the episode. If you like this episode, then please share it with your friends and family, and do let me know that how you felt about it, okay? So till then, till Sunday, have a good day, and bye bye.